Good day to my YouTube family. Welcome. My name is Shumba Prosper, and today we're going to be talking about the split screen feature on our Android devices that enables us to share this same display space between two applications, because normally when you run an application it occupies the whole entire display space. Like this docks, it opens on the entire screen space. If I open say my emails, it takes up the whole display space. Say if I need to share my display space between playing videos on YouTube while say writing an email at the same time. This is very possible on the Android platform using this feature that we're calling split screen feature. So the first thing that you do, you open the first application that you need to be using. In this case, I need to be playing videos on YouTube. So I launch my YouTube, and while playing my videos, I need to be able to type my email.
Way back when we started.
So there I've launched my YouTube. Then the second thing that I would do is I will press the recent applications button. I will press and hold it for 3 seconds. After pressing it, it splits my screen into two, and then I'll be able to either scroll through the recently used applications or go to the applications drawer and pick whatever other application that I need to use alongside YouTube. And then say I need to be using emails, then I open my emails. There is my emails, and my screen has been successfully splitted into two, so I can play videos.
Hey, I like what you did with Michael's farm. Can you insure my house? And it grew.
While attending to my emails. Or you can be opening a website at the same time you playing videos.
From there, I believe we can.
Or you can swap applications between the screens using the recent applications option. And I open my document. You can do the same thing as well when you're on the top application. Put your browser there. So thank you so much for watching. This is how you enable split screen so that you can be able to split your display between two applications. So once you need to disable the split screen, you press and hold again the recently opened applications. There now, YouTube is taking all of my display space. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe. If this video helped you, smash the like button as well as the share. Until we meet again next time, it's goodbye for now.